People, it's 29th of July. Standing here, this little temple near the palace. I'm gonna do a prayer for you. These prayers are coming from the pilgrimage monk, but of course it's coming from the divine because my intention is to send you, to give you, to share with you these sacred energies. This is for you. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Om Mani Padme Hum.